What's up, everybody? This is Norman Simon from Haven Holding Stays, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our Pool Haven property here in Oak Island. We're starting here on the front porch. This is your view from the front porch, so great, awesome, fantastic, unobstructed ocean views. Right across the street, you have the Ocean Crest Pier. There's a little bar over there and a restaurant, the Island Way restaurant, that you can go to directly across the street, which is a really cool feature of this house. So big front porch here that you can sit and look at the ocean from. Let's go ahead and go inside here. So the first thing that I want to point out is that, again, just like all our properties, we've got a digital door lock. You will receive your code at 8 a.m. on the morning of your arrival. When you come into this property, the first thing that you come into is the kitchen here. So the kitchen and dining area, got plenty of space for you to dine at, plenty of space for you to cook at, some stools here for you to sit on and have your breakfast, have your dinner at. You can bring the whole family. You still have ocean views out of those windows right there, and this opens right up into your living room. So your living room area, plenty of seats for people to sit at. All of our properties, including this one, have smart TVs, so you can stream whatever service you want to stream on those TVs. This property is a 3-bed, 2-bath property. Sleeps up to 13 people, but I would say it sleeps probably 12 people comfortably. Here is your first bedroom. So we got 1 bedroom downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. The first bedroom here has bunk beds in it. So you got a full bunk and a twin bunk on top. You have your TV. There's TVs in every single bedroom. So that's the 1 bedroom that's downstairs. Over here, we've got our bathroom, double vanity, nice little bathroom with a tub for you to stay at. Before we go upstairs, I'm actually gonna go outside right here and show you probably the coolest feature of this particular property, which is the Pool Haven, as it's known as here. You've got a huge pool and back door section that you can hang out at. So we've got fake grass back here that you can hang out and play around in. Plenty of places to sit, an awesome pool, and a nice little fenced in section of the property. This property is also pet friendly, so you are welcome to bring your pet with you when you come to stay at the property. So back inside here, and I will take you upstairs and show you the other 2 bedrooms. So to get upstairs, you go through the living room and you hit the stairs right over here. One of the cool little features of these stairs, people love these stairs. Look at this. You get this nice little mural that's actually on the stairs that shows you a little bit more ocean. So a little bit of ocean on the inside of the house here as well. When you get to the top of the stairs, first thing you're gonna come to is the second bathroom right there. So it has a shower. If you go to your left, you have 2 queen beds and a view of your pool out back. And then if you come across to the other side, you have 1 very large king bed, large bedroom, big TV for you to utilize. And my personal favorite feature of this property, you've got an upper deck here. So you got a second deck that you can walk out on, and you can get totally unobstructed view of the ocean out in a couple of different directions. I love to just come here and sit here in the morning and watch this. So if you want to stay at Pool Haven, I invite you to follow us here on YouTube to learn about all of our other properties. I invite you to go to havenholdingstays.com, or I invite you to just reach out to us directly. We will set you up and get you ready for a great vacation.